Hey, chapter framing of the constitution hi chapter poimo ma hiya dia kina India na zalian na mu kum 1947 phet a til India ma ban ding ki bai pok na ding ki bai hom na ding to ki saya yai gu gel til poimo ma le til tam pi su khathei constitution bol na le draft na to ki sai hey unit to ki sai et na ne le chai at tumultuous time akicha tumultuous time ji changina I ham hai hun ai kele I disorder til kichup ta ka omlo dan le thupya komlo adia kina inga ito na nga isun le India na zalian na British aki pananga 1947 kumina azo phetin British nan pai kyak sanuna India ki wai pong na hi apan lang di dan hi ham hai chi ta kina ham hai diun inga ito ho ti hoi sia kina yai hun pen hi tumultuous time china min bo the hi ay again ti na tamlo ina ending the years immediately preceding the making of the constitution had been exceptionally tumultuous yai constitution bol hun ai kele 1947 Indian zaliana nga huna yai constitution draft di abol di hun hi thilna maya ai kele ham hai hun ma hi chi gen ti na hi haya hun paisa te Indian national movement laya to haya thil om khen khat cham te na kipete yan non ding praise in popular memory were the good Indian struggle of 1947 perhaps the most widespread popular movement and led by Subhash Chandra Bose hai hi India ina again ma ba na 1947 zalian na muwa wai amu na dina Indian national movement poimo tak haya quit India struggle hi 1942 na pana wai huna Subhash Chandra Bose leng amakai lian pe ya ma hi INA phut ke to hi wai hun to ya to Indian zalian na amu 1947 kuma wai zo a constitution boldan to ke saya ya te hi tiltam pi ke zoi to na hi chi ha et na ipia hi. The degree of Hindu-Muslim unity had repeatedly failed to arrive at a settlement. Ite sama bangina Indian national movement laina Hindu to Muslim dehi pangkhom gige hinapi na atak dagang pangkhom tuanlo tuake lo na au tu British compete ni yai divide and rule policy hi paipi na adyakin Hindu to Muslim hi omkhom lo him din wai omkhom tri lai sia hi British te vai home na hi chimit na hi chi ati iragun hai te kita naw na hi suksat te atupu ai chi imuthia hoi ja kina hai a background chi ha ikele I constitution bolne to kesaya hai Hindu Muslim unity a hoi lo le na pi ta ga thu po kha hi chi ha ya ke na hi on Independence Day 15 August 1947 there was an outburst of joy and hope partition holocaust millions of refugees many perished before they reached their destination. Again, mapangina India in 15 August 1947 na British akipan zalian amua himale lam het lo I bloodshed susan ki so na partition of India ichia Pakistan to India I kipel khapin to ka hi lo na twalkal civil war ten pang da gena Hindu to Muslim te kala mi tam pi te na zalian na nga la ahi china ki pa na om laina India phel khap on India on ki phel khapin to ban holocaust ki tha na ki swam nai khale kilom tha na tam pi no min ada kina Hindu te ai kale Muslim te amau te ki tha te na refugee tam pi tak on piang lo hi chi ha ya I muthe hi hen khat te Pakistan nom jakin Pakistan ding Muslim apaite amuno tunglo na lam kala tam pi te Hindu tenan hawa chima apangena Pakistan lam side a om Lahore lak Punjab lak om te India lam alu te tunglo china ki tha na ki mat na I khele sisan ki thwa ki so na tam pi te ya ki pa na om lai na 15 August 1947 om lai na lam het lo de le de wai het lo civil war Hindu le Muslim kana wai se ta kama hi Another and scarcely less serious problem was that of the princely state, who owe allegiance to the British crown. When the British left India, remained ambitious till a boy who non ma constitution dropped the Tokisaya. India ina zalen na anga zo inleng. India da British ada na ginom. Ada kena hai princely state chia native state house zangale som guglani ibang ana oma. Whiten hi India akipiak dile ut tualo Brit amau hi independent ut chima abangna se thum so se khatte hi ichina amau le mau independent ai kan le autonomous autonomy dana kipunaman waija kina vai home na hi constitution bol na di to kesaina hak satak adia kina mau British te ada na ginom ma te a hi zakena hak satak til constitution bol na ding to kesaina tampi mu te ai tuna hai constitution bol na ding to kesaina assembly poimo mamhat constituent assembly akichia hai saulo ending set up in 1946 to draft constitution of India hai constituent assembly hi bangjaun ki bola chile constitution of India bolna dia 1946 ai anaki phut ki anaki phuana hi ithi sa ma bangena 1947 na zalen na imua why makum 1946 ai committee chi assembly constituent assembly hi anaki set up ta hi chi hai pen hi British state hi pina British state idea le ki bola hi chi Falkland hoiding hai pen constituent assembly pen hi dominated by one party congress na amau hi kongkhada amau dominate do ikaile amau thunei na now sangjo toyo hi hai pen chi imuthe hi to bana hai constituent assembly pen hi Muslim League ten hi oppose na ade lo kai lo boycott na socialist group ki chitel le hai constituent assembly tel nom lo na china amau bangja tel nom lo chile hai pen British te khut swak British te bola hi chi ja kina hai constituent assembly amau I dinmun tang na nei nom lo na chin omo hi chile ju congress na hai pen I thunei na sangtak toy kha hi chi hai akilanga hi different opinions inside Congress. Some members were inspired by socialism while others were defenders of landlordism. Some were close to communal parties while others were assertively secular. Yai as Congress members sungla kale ingai dan chi tuam ken khatien socialism ngai dan bang aniwa ken khatien bang landlord ai kale house na gam ni na ai kale ki vai pon na tuam ai kale ken khatien secular taka pai de china yai adrak layo na ya assembly hi ai dan tu am thom ki ka ne na amau sungma ma le ki to lo na neu oma hi influenced by public opinions proposal were publicly debated criticism and counter criticism in the press internship yai constituent assembly apoi mo na ma mai hai peni open taka idea share thi na ai kale critics ai kale ahoi lo debate tam pite tungto na hi on constitution bolna da ya open taka adia kena I public debate te bang ne na chak ki gen sian na ho ila ma ki gen sian na ya I chi kha zole hoi chi chi ngai dan ten na akum kumane na ya pen hi constitution drop na dia kwam poimo ma constituent assembly hi chi yen la ya hi adia kin hai nam tom zo nam nyam zu te minorities grievances protection special safeguard an end to oppression minorities grievances he ada nam tom zo te ada kina yai constitution bol lai le he amau le anga ida no geno amau protection hai Indian constitution ina protection kar de hi chi pu na sang tak ina anana yawa to ama bang ina anaga so nge hi yai te na nge to hi le amau rights te constitution na beng bit na safeguard apyak ding atunga mi nam sang zo ikale atam zo te na mu sinai kale bolsa na tia ki pan bit na ading constitution na bit na pyak ding chite aput tang pe hiu ai pen interim government la ya constitution assembly member te pai form te hi tuna abana the dominant voices ai constituent assembly dominant voices atang pia voice ai kele thunei na ai kele athu paizo hian khate ending constituent assembly ina member jathum ania namai lo hiya member tamma ma phawa hiya adakina nam tuam party tuam group tuam ki pan ki hala hiya himalawai jathum laka mi guktena hiyai constituent assembly adakina constitution draft na to kasaina mi guktena poimo na lian tak aniyo hi amaute kwa hiam chi an sukding mi thum akipan amaute le congress member hiwa hatna Jawaharlal Nehru hiya Vallabhbhai Patel hiya Rajendra Prasad hiwa to abana the lawyer and economist hi B.R. Ambedkar chairman drafting committee hiya i chat inginge ya a member lina hiya abana serving with him were two other lawyers Dan Shyam K.M. Musanshi from Gujarat and Aladi Krishna Yawami Iyer from Madras Amauting yai to isima migu then hi constituent assembly constitution to kisai draft na dinga mo pawng nai kala tan bo ai kala poi mo na yai migu ken ani dan hei itang lang zo hi tuna these 6 members were given vital assistance by 2 civil servants yai migu te hi hu na ichia panpi na I lam tuam ma amaute apoi mo banga panpi ai kale legal advice ai kal tel tuam documentation tel tuam panpi dingina yai civil servant le ka siam tak mini te amau kwa te yami chile one was B.N. Rao constitutional advisor to the government of India amai kwa yami chile constitutional advisor here government of India and S.N. Mukherjee chief of Draftsman agel tu ai kale apiang sakto hiya amau tigel S.N. Mukherjee le B.N. Rao hi amau tigel hi dia ka hai mi gukte amau apoi mu na ho gige tu hai tigel hi chi tak lang hi kaile mai le Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hiya abana vision of constitution ina bu khol na ni bang yam chi elle ideals of the constitution 13 December 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru projected his objective resolution. Adegina hai poimo ama Jawaharlal Nehru ina anapatyak objective resolution an chia hai pen banghi ham chian ding objective resolution pen hile constitution ina mu kholna ani huam poimo ama hai objective resolution pen upon khatu hi Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hi chi hai itak lang hi atu pena hile India hile independent sovereign republic hi ding ochanga guaranteed its citizen justice equality and freedom akhwale tui amile sa citizen India citizen dia digna ai kale kirwal ta ka omna ai kale zale na pyang ding chi te hi hai objective resolution atu pa hi abana adequate safeguards shall be provided for minorities backward and tribal areas and depressed and other backward classes adakina dina again minorities tia to kisaina ngai khong na lian pi heu tu lian hoi laya constitutional draft ai kaile constituent assembly member tena anane yuna adakin ya minorities te gam tribal areas ai kele amaute dik na te hi kepi na constitution apyang ngai din chi atam zongai dana hi tuna Nehru ina haya thugen na ani ina simding kai to kisain Nehru's speech Nehru was locating the history of constitution making in India within a longer history of struggle for liberty and freedom ideals and provision of the constitution we are not going just to copy to fuse readapt and rework all these ideas within the Indian context amana again danile hai constitution bol pe na copy mai da ki bol lo na izu ding ai kele India quality ya da aksalle izu isham kizil ding ocha hoi ta ga ipan ding ocha India to ka saya hai aga so ai pen ni ji ade na hi dena again ma bang na objective resolution Jawaharlal Nehru na pathya pen hai amen points ken khatte hai itak la nayan da isim ke ton ke da aban ban na hai itak la hi tuna abana the will of the people agacha ipite voice dena again ma banga constitution assembly members zathumum ma le ama hi open taga hai constitution bona dinga assembly ki pon kya constituent assembly pena mi piten a voice again thi nangu right again thi nangu open taga debate te hong na ya I mi pite voice bangchan om thi yam chi ending a communist member adagina yai to pisai I communist member min thang somnath lahiri kichi ina anga idana again na ending so the dark hand of British imperialism on Constituent Assembly was British made and was working the British plan as the British would like it to be worked out. Haya somnath lahiri kichina yai Constituent Assembly pen hi British te handiwork British te khutswak ai jagina ana de lo kya hilona yai British te tuplengim pen amau asuk pi chingna diwai hai ahi mai china demna na ne hi Nehru in le angai dan tamlo opyak pen yan non ding Nehru admitted that the British government had in its birth. Democracy, equality, and justice were ideals associated with social evils. Swami Vivekananda, Jyotiba Phule, the national movement struggle for democracy and justice for citizen rights and equality. Nehru in leha admita, yapen British te abultunga British te apat pihiman, apoimo akro values peni, democracy mipi kiwai home na. I call equality mi pite kim taka vai hom na pyak ding I call dig na nga ading waite uchanga social evils society atil hoi lo te I constitution na waite gang na pyak na pen I constituent assembly CA na atup lengi ma hi chi ha atak langa hi defining rights dira again ma bangna constituent assembly CA na open taga hai drafting ichya constitution to ke drafting debate open taka debate bol sakena I meeting aidan lakhom naina jangwa hi number 1 poimo pena hi le problem ato amasak pena hi le problem with separate electorates hai pen hi I vote ai kale ai tuam vote ni na atoma pyang na hi ai pen chil tam pion subai khadinga hi chi ita ina en chukding B. Poker Bahadur from Madras made a powerful plea for continuing separate electorates could not be erased out of existence. Minorities were all represented within the political system, their voice heard and their views taken into account. Among idan hilai hai pen hi separate electorate pen mopyak tuang ngai to lo hai pen Indian national movement while non-cooperation movement I kill civil disobedience movement lai lai hai separate electorates jaga boina kya hilona round table conference lai le Mahatma Gandhi hai jaga ama sige round table conference ale abatel lo to pai jakina hai pen piak lo de hi china ngai dam tam pin asunga hi abana this demand for separate electorates provoked anger and dismay amongst most nationalists. Most nationalists saw separate electorate as a measure deliberately introduced by the British to divide the people. Atang pia tam joten hai separate electorate pian hi adia kena India mile sa British na divide and rule policy nei na dinga un bola hi china de lo na dem na tam pin anai wa hi R.V. Dulekar told Bahadur, with the help of it they allow you to a long lure give it now there is no one to misguide you acha hai pana hele separate electorate om ding a hoi dan again na hi ada kena hi atunga Bahadur dong na pyang na hi hai again ma bangna separate electorate to ke sai hi a member laka de lo na ai kan dem na hoi lo sak na tam pyom ja kena constitution on bol zo na separate electorate pen hi om lo nge hi chi imu the hi abana separate electorates was a poison that has entered the blood body politics of our country, declared Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel le hai separate electorates pen hi ade lo na hai hi comment apya hi gu ma abanga hi hai pen hi politics gamdin mun to ka sai hai gu poison to ibanga hi chena ngai na so ngai hi Abana Govind Balat Pan declared that It was not only harmful for the nation but also for the minorities' suicidal demand. Hai Govind Balat Panile hai separate electorates sakding adi lodan nak takina suicidal to saya ki bangyala hi china an tangko pi hi. Abana iya tom la de lodan iya comment apyak teu yan suklai da tuna regarding the minorities nam tom zote din mun I constitution tun sak lau de kal yan suklai ding. The real minorities for NG Rangau were the poor and the downtrodden, essential to create conditions where these constitutionally enshrined rights could be effectively enjoyed. For this, they needed protection. They need proofs. They need a letter achieve. Minorities tak te hi na NG Ranga in again ma boina. India huang poi mo pen te azong te hi china hi tangko pina amawa the rights ai kale til atuama safeguard na pya de hi chi tangko pina ya male comment apya ka hi. The real minorities are the masses of this country. The real minorities that need protection and assurance of protection achia ya comment kipya te simding. The gifted orator ada kena yai Jaibal Singh chi ama hi tugen syama mayaman le ang idan again te nyopatian keding. Being disposed of the land they had settled, deprived of their forests and pastures, and forced to move in search of new homes, perceiving them as primitive and backward, the rest of society had turned away from them, sprung them. Yai tugen syam Jaibal Singh again hi tildik ma ya ada kena yai nam nyam nam molte to kesahi tamzo tango pio amawa the right pyak loading achi pian hi hai pan ana do dan la hiya nam nyam nam molte hi adya ka India ale le gamne te hi wa mau ken ka te namau te nam nyam ai khele mi zong ai khele mi changkang lo te china ana demo hi ma wai jakin hai Jaibal Singh hai te Indian constitution ina amau a right te kepin na ipya khele agam teu ai khele agam mang teu khele agan ching teu an kana teu gam mang te hi mine zo ten wai te alak su teu wai te right save ka nang pyak poi mo hi chin nak takina he anak tak lang hi adya kina MLA seat chi ha legislator sungbang le pyak de hi china tangko pina hai te hi alo chinga tu tan phaina ei kam din mun le in ei lo hi. We were suppressed for thousands of years. Depressed class kasa ki chai hai dena again tangko pima banginya minority te nam mol nam neo nam tom zu te arai chu bangchida na pyak ni ham chi ya constitutional debate sang ta komai chi hai mu the hi. During the national movement, Ambedkar had demanded separate electorates for the depressed class. Gandhi permanently segregated them from the rest of society. Adagini hai drafting committee chairman Dr. Ambedkar ngele ma ni namnyam laka kosa namnyam ya ama jaka tutan fine ya SC tele ya college kaina ikil til tom toma hi quota system ini ama jaka ya tan phan tu hi chi ya thaklang hi. We have been suffering but we are prepared to suffer no more, say J. Nagapa from Madras. Their disability were caused by the social norms and moral values, social distance. Na again mabangina nam nyam nam molde India chichangina kideira na sangma ma high class ani zote anam changkang ai kele anam sangten nam nyam te bangmale simlo ek mole mulo hi nauto paijakina yai haksa na akum kuman to apianu hai Indian constitution akidraft changina safeguard na rights piak de hi china tangko na ya je naga paile na bola hi. We were suppressed for thousands of years, suppressed to such an extent that minds, bodies and even hearts. KZ Khandekar of the Central Province hai KZ Khandekar le again dana hiya rights safeguard na anja kena hai minorities te piak tik te di million milala ikele nam sangte ki pan ha gelko na to atio uchikele twak to di ya ngai dana again na hi. The CA Chichang in the Constituent Assembly here finally recommended that untouchability be abolished. To ama bangina member jathum tiana debate ai kele discussion ani na tewa ihai untouchability pen abolish the hi china thupuken Hindu temples be thrown open to all. Hindu biakin ichiha biak na na temples tia hi mi anam sang nam nyam chi okhen tom lo na open tagalu trading chi ami hai ana paswa bangja khem chile hoi la Hindu society Indian society thema bangena kichizan na iya ai kale anei le nei lo ada ke nam nyam te bang padyan bethe ya lut thei lo temple ta lut thei asang te chok lut thei hoi ja kina kidai dan na hoi ja kin ai te hi ana important na ngai ko kin na to ke hi lo na sit legislature ale sit pyak ding chi hoi ja kina ei manipur bang ale ST te na MLA sit nei na ichina e kumnga halina azra election kini jela hi chi ha hoi ke hi lo na kam jong na nasib na te jok chale quota nei na to ke hi lo na college school chale government chale admission te ale quota nei na to ke hi lo na panpi na scholarship stipend tele hai tung to nam kya kin om ta hi ya tak long hi tuna bana the power of the state thune na ya central government to state athune na ya khatina yan kang ding. Another topic vigorously debated in the Constituent Assembly was the respective rights of the central government and the state. Constituent Assembly ki debate sang ma mai le central government power ha pyak jok ding mo ai kale state government hoi kana debate sang so sang ma oma hi chi he imuthe hi to na the draft constitution provided for 3 lists of subject cha hai first union state and concurrent list union ji changina central government na hiya state ji changina state and at colony concurrent ji changina local ai kale union na at call ki home te wa hi article 356 gave the central the power to take over state administration on the recommendation of the government ya hi article poimo ma ya 356 yai pena hi le bangyam chile state government ki vai pong na bang deng de lai khai la puk se thin dimu na government ministry o mai la government thune na head of the institution pen hi governor na khutama aba aman president rule le I impose ya chima ba financial crisis hunale governor thune na hoi pen hi president rule pen hi 356 ka hi chi ai tanglang hi. The constitution also mandated for a complex system of fiscal federalism, center custom duties and company taxes, the state land and property tax. Again, state list, it's a union list, a concurrent list, again, is center government, state, custom duty, company tax, I can little tom alathia, to Amabagana state, center tax tom aki home to thewi chi hai muthe hi to dena yet pen state power thapyang na ya tuna center thapyang na lam yan non ding the center is likely to break bangjaga a center government pen that dolo chim the ya mi chile a state ten thune nan ha lang no chen hoi ma bangina center pui mon an om khalo jakin hai pen center ha chang na yon pui mo hi chin en non ding. The rights of the state were most eloquently defended by K. Santhanam from Madras. If the center was overburdened with responsibility, it could not function effectively. So again, central government in Mopong na haulo zille state government nga isak lodi isakin hoi jakina state government hi Mopong na piak poi mo hi chine ana tak langi Himalaya ale lang lama central government pen Nelsianahi center Hatlo Chinahi Mehi. He further said, I do not want any constitution in which the unit has to come to the center and say, I cannot educate my people, I cannot give sanitation without finance. How could state develop since most tax vested by the center? Then I imu mabangna tax kila tang pia tam center government la kaya to ma bang na state government khat government ki zikala kele ke ka state kiran thilo ka hi ai kele til khang to na siang thon ha ai kan mi pi te siam sin na ki pyang na te hi bol thilo ka hi chi khut do om pe ni zum hoya hi china state government a din hoi ja kina state government thapyang na hi poimoi chin ak takina tang ko pe hi. A member from Orissa warned that the center is likely to break since powers had been excessively centralized under the constitution. Member Orissa kipan again center ina power aha to lo jakin amo pong na singwala til alag jakina kichim theidin muna oma hi china Indian constitution noya yathak dina ho yasak tho again hi. What we want today is strong government hi maya government to government det to jakin bangchana he onom thedi ham chi he encom ki discuss no le che hi. The argument for greater power to the province provoked a strong reaction in the assembly. So again ma bangdina state kailo province district ai kele village level government autonomy tia power de na pe ni na assembly dena constituent assembly na tio kum ni bal discussion na tio hi asu boy ma hi huntinga debate discussion seminar na i tio adakina hi issue to kesai sharing of power state ina central government ina province wai kalai i debate sang pi so sang ta komahi to kelo na district government chimaini telle power get na pe no hi nak takin hi constituent assembly hi gen kainom hi. Ambedkar had declared that he wanted a strong and united center. Adagina hi B.R. Ambedkar amadi peni central government to I can that dole keep amadi dan hi apwang hi, reminding the rights and violence that was ripping the nation apart. Many members favored center to be greatly strengthened to enable to stop the communal frenzy. Again, member tam paizoten zathum laka member omtena central government that dole ahat poimo ahi bangja khyam chile gamsung boina ai kele si san ke so ana kitha ana te hoite ain call to the ahat pen central government om chain ko mana bang again thilo hi ma hoi dan hi. Gopala Swami Ayanagar declared that the center should be made as strong as possible. Ai langai dan center pen hi ahat the to adet do the to ai ko idenga hi changai dan again hi. One member from the United Province Changina Punjab Lahore wai sin lakte here Balakrishna Sharma reasoned that at length that only a strong center could plan for well-being of the country, mobilize the available economic resources, establish a proper administration, and defend the country against foreign aggression. Acha haile anga ina central government strong central government poimo mama dagena foreign akipan do na anom le state in do thelo central government na hi china ya dagen resource ai kaile sumthil ki sumdong na thil tampi ki bai pong na central government a hoi changena gamsung ki bai pong na hoi a hi chi ama mo da nei tuna a nation adakena India constitution and aboi pi constituent assembly point pi ma male paul ham Indian nation India namina bang pau pin official language as anggen chi ha debate sang takan om non hi the language of the nation. Within the constituent assembly the language issue was debated over many months and often generated instant argument. Hey constituent assembly ca sunga hi bang language ki jangdia India dia official language chi akha simpa na ki debate na ana ke sielo na yaina argument ke siel na ai ke le ki hang kum na ai ke le ngai dan tom ti ka tampian apyang sa hi. By the 1930s the Congress had accepted that Hindustani, a blend of Hindi and Urdu, be national language, multicultural language. 1930s bela hi Congress ten atamzoina Indian language common language sia official language da Hindustani zadde hi hai pene Hindi le Urdu mixed cultural language isagen china an tang ko piwa himalaya hai pen on practical atak gaman zathai lo dinga isagen he debate ai dan sung nanom to lai dinga hi chi mo thai hi. But by the end of the 19th century As communal conflict deepened, Hindi and Urdu also started growing apart. There was a move to Sanskritize Hindi. 19th century hina adagina India isam communal feeling ha paigi gai adagina Muslim to Hindu kalkai launa Sikh Punjabi ga to am I abingbinga paijagina khenkadin Hindi de launa Urdu de naamna Hindi le Urdu kalne kizan am jagina khenkadina Sanskrit pen ha national common language da Sanskritize dinga hi Hindi a bol dinga hi ide na tango pi anom non hi तो अबाना ये नॉन्डिंग ले apply for हिंदी में आजाद हिंदी ची बोलते हैं कि बन गाइदान R.V. Dulekar, a congressman from the United Province, made an aggressive plea that Hindi be used as language at Chaman hi ang aidan again tang liu nawa Hindi pen hi common language ika official language sa ding china ngaidan asung suka hi abana tele chima abana sung sukwa language issue continued to disrupt proceedings and agitate members over the subsequent session. Meeting at the session, the Constitutional Assembly na yay Paule ham bang language ikale bang pau bang ham pen Indian common language ikale official language that dinga hichi yay dekna jaga ikale de lokna jakina meeting tam pi ve su boy na omai Waijakina language committee bangana puanwa yay na tupahile. The Language Committee of the Constitutional Assembly had produced its report and hoped to placate Raphael emotion and arrive at a solution that would be acceptable. Language Committee na amu uswadana hile. Yay pen hi killa bonga thili chi hilawa mi tamzo na apum pen hi language da poimo hi china report pyang ana yungi. The fear of domination. Adakin Constitutional Assembly Constitution bona dia ami tam zotian amau di dan apa ipi na pen ha hi lau thong na pen yen non ding Srimati SMTZ Durgabai from Madras informed that the opposition in the south against Hindi was very strong. It created anxieties and fear amongst different language groups. Adagina South India tiana Hindi pen common language ko idi ada ikewa ademwa to ama bangina isana de lo na thampiom hoi jakina I congress atam zote de na ke hitwa lo na hai pen democratic ta ka thel pai de china I ngai dan sunga hi mi atam zo de hitwa lo na ahan zote de na chi to lo na ahoi di pen gel hi ngai dan gen nai as the discussion became acrimonious, many members appealed for a spirit of accommodation. Why jagina on boy same jagina mausong why jagin amauling ahoy theipen India na accommodate thei di pen anek thei di pen language ko zo ye chi tham to na mi member tam zo ten ang ilan sung no hi Sri Sankarao from Bombay and T.A. Ramalingam Chetayar from Madras emphasized that whatever was done had to be done with cautious not to push too aggressive till he tun I kill he te so there should be mutual adjustment and no question of forcing things on people full Hindi chi pian hoi tuan lo mi pian idan pen hoi hi china agia ta ko pi Constitution to kisay apoy mo diyang na tayanting features of Constitution katna bangay chile. Central feature of Constitution was substantial agreement. This was the granting of the vote to every adult Indian. This was an unprecedented act of faith, for in other democratic the vote had been granted slowly. Adya kina hiyay adult franchise ichiya apoy mo mama Constitution na apyak India follow tui kumsom legat phachang thei thei India follow tui vote ni na ai kale dik na ai kale rai tu pya kinoma himale kumun paina India government constitution no onenta kina ujina on khek towa dena igen ama sakpen kumsom ni le khatin on pan masawa himale kumsom ni le khatpen kumsom le ga dena on hesuk no na wai jaga India ko le tui hi na ne na dina api chinga sim hi na dina kum som le gyat phapeu ma te na I voting rights ne hi ha ita lang hi. A second important feature of the constitution was an emphasis on secularism. Secularism is changina freedom of religion here. India is mi tam nam tuam sa ko tuam te ma sa ko hat kya thei lo wai jagina freedom of religion u tu na sa ko jalen na pya ka hai a unique ma na hi a unique dang na hi le written and comprehensive document akicha one of the longest constitution of the world akichiyala India ai penina Indian constitution ina bang 395 jathumle som kwalenga articles na ya 10 schedules na ya appendix na ya to aba maina constitutional preamble oma to aba na I part som ni ni na ki khina hi wai jakina hai Indian constitution peni written and comprehensive document akacha one of the longest constitution le akachi hala hi sa ma dan le thu pia ka ikale ki vai phone na ki gel na hi so ani na poi mo no le division of power dena yet ma bangina constitution na power ki home dan again India hi union of state akichia union list oma state list oma concurrent list oma hi anona poi mo no na hi le independent judiciary hi independent judiciary supreme court hi alian pen wai jakina kwama athunei pen a house of pen ikale alian pen te hi dan noi om be ka hi chi ya etsa na hi dena again strong central government dena again pen again non ki da abana directive principle of state policy hai pen hi thel poimo ma hai pen atupa hi le establish welfare state on the basis of social economic and political justice hai directive principle of state policy na atupa hi le India kwale tu hi itia dinga society ikale ko tang bai ikale sumdong na ikal nek takjong na ikale I gam bai thua I dik na ikale maw da hoi na pyang na peni directive principle state policy na atup pi pe na hi abana parliamentary form of government ai pen apoi mo hi parliamentary form of government chi changina mi hatya bai hom nai lo na maute I parliament ai ka tu hom zel na heu de MLA hi na dekin ha thunei pe na ile president na hi mawi constitutional head ya president central government oma governor te hi state ai kan union territory oma maute hi constitutional head ya himale apower tak pe ni cabinet oma hi chi ha ta langa hi to bana secular state akija secular character icha ai pendena yatsa freedom of religion India constitution om kina ya wai jakina Christian sa kwa adagin sak naina nam tom chi Christian tele zaliana nei ve hi I Hindu te tamzo himale amauti biak na pen communist gamdana biak na khatya biak di china thom don wai jakina constitutional ana bolma baina secular character hi anona hile universal adult franchise dena again ma bangina kum abultung ina kum somni lekhat phatchang hi adult franchise voting rights apyo himale kunon pai dung zuina kum som le gyat phate hi china asunia mo hi chile India quality kum som le gyat phape ma hi ama voting rights pichinga sima hiu hoi pena hi le 1980 dina kum som ni lekha da kipan som le gyat akipan kai nyam suka hi chi cham ti le abana poimo no na ile declaration of fundamental rights dina again rights fundamental rights ya adhakina right to equality right gukom te hi tagla na hiya aba atom na dina fundamental duties imo pong na te wai te hi ya constitutional ki tun khom bega hi ya bana yan non da the constituent assembly debates help us understand the many conflicting voices that had been negotiated in framing the constitution adakina constituent assembly na on sin saga hi le itil thi siam hoi lo pitam pyom ma le hai tung to na mi tom dem ngai dan asung teu ti siam hoi pi ai dan mu the hi they tell us about the ideals that were invoked and principles that the makers of the constitution operated within wai jakina hai constitution pen hi ana hingi ge na hi chi ha a framework I call it a framer constituent assembly a member zagup zathumba tena amao ana panlang nau ya ga so hi chi muthe hi. But in reading these debates, we need to be aware that the ideals invoked were very often reworked according to what seems appropriate within a context. At times, the members of the assembly also changed their ideas as the debate unfolded over 3 years. Hearing others argue, some members rethought their position, opening their minds to contrary views, with others changed their. But the member de lang aidan khek to khek to na hoi pian di achim thei pian agel tung to na ke ban hai Indian Constitution on ki bol kya ye chi thak lang hi. Atup lengi mian ding objective of framing the Constitution to heal the wounds of the past and the present, unity and harmony. Ite ma bangina in 1947 na Jalenan mua jalena mu kipa ma laina partition no ma communal rights no ma banga twal galon piangin adyakin Hindu le Muslim te waite thilde wailo pet ma hia waite sukbeina ding ina dale thu piak ai kale hon bai hom theding constitution poimo chijakin haite I mei maum te adam sakna ding hun paisa tele I kitwa nale harmony ai kale ki yet takateng khom na di hai constitution no ab hun kai khom na poimo hi chi gen na ya ani na dinga to establish democratic institution ai jagan democratic institution ichi election thilai kal tom te hi thil democratic ta ka paina dinga gel na hi. The Constitution is a step of principle and rule that define the government's powers and duties and ensure rights to every citizen. Pahi poimo maya to pipen. Constitution to pahile mipite to dika vai hom na piak ding government pen thuni na ahi bang banga piaka ana sep di banga sep saka uchanga to ama banga akhwale tu hi na citizenship nei telle hamphat di banga hapata ama mo poka sep thi na ngai chi ngim na hi. Indian Constitution. It is the longest written constitution in the world, containing 395 articles, 22 parts, 8 schedules. On January 26, 1950, the Lion Chapter of Ashoka with the whole bull and adopted as the national emblem. Example national flag adopted on July 22, 1947 as the national flag of India. National flag aki puan kum kibolja kum national anthem hi aki gelkum it was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. It was adopted on November 26, 1949 by the Constituent Assembly and came into force on the Constituent Assembly pen hi November 26, 1949 ana ki adopt ana ki pan himale asip swata tak na pen January 26, 1950 aki constitution pen effective hi chi igena hi chine chu kum tam pi kum thumbal beng constitution ana drop wa hi 2 years 11 months and 17 days kumni sung bing gelu le khasom le khat le isom na sagi sung ana gelwa ya the Constituent Assembly held 11 session over 165 days hi session ni na sama ma hi session meeting ichi parliament session assembly ani usom le khat be hi 165 days ni ani jale som uglenga lu ta hi. The Constituent Assembly was constituent making body elected by the Provisional National Assembly consisting of 389 members each adena again sate hi drafting committee te dena yana B.R. Ambedkar chairman hi ama lawyer economist politician le social reformer hi aite hi one main taglanga election ni masak pen 1952 hi India president masak pen hi Rajendra Prasad hi